Hello friends, welcome to a new session on trigonometry. Today we will try to solve some important problems for the exam purpose. So let me go for example number 1. If cosecant theta equals 13 by 12, then find the value of cos theta. This question came in KCAB June 2019 question paper. So let me draw one right angle triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Here is theta. This is opposite side. This is a hypotenuse and this is adjacent side. So cosecant theta is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. That is the reciprocal of sin theta. So here it is given 13 by 12. Now cosecant theta hypotenuse is 13 and opposite side is a 12. So you need to find out the adjacent side. So we'll go to Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So AC is the hypotenuse. That square is equal to sum of square of other two sides is nothing but AB square plus BC square. Now AC square is nothing but 13 square equal to AB is 12 square plus BC square. Now 13 square is 169 and 12 square, let me take this side, that is 144, that is equal to BC square. Now BC square equal to 169 minus 144 is 25. Now BC equals to square root of 25 equals to 5. So adjacent side is 5. So now we need to find out cos theta. So therefore cos theta equals adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So therefore cos theta is 5 by 13. Now here we have example number 2. Show that tan A into sin A plus cos A equals to secant A. So this question came KCB June 2019 question paper. So let me take the LHS part. So LHS is given tan A into sin A plus cos A. So tan A we can write sin A by cos A into sin A, let me write as it is, plus cos A. Now sin A into sin A is sin square A by cos A plus cos A, write it as it is. Now let me take the LCM. Cos A is the LCM. Now here sin square A plus cos A into cos A is cos square A. Now sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Here I'll write sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. We can use the formula. Now by cos A is as it is. Now 1 by cos A is nothing but secant A. So this is RHS. So here we have example number 3. If sin theta equals 12 by 13, find the values of cos theta and tan theta. This question is KSEB March 2019 question paper sum. So here sin theta is 12 by 13 is given. So let me draw one right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle, and sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Sine theta equals opposite by hypotenuse, that is given 12 by 13. So this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent side. So opposite is equal to 12 and hypotenuse is equal to 13. So now we will go to Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So now AC square is 13 square and AB square is nothing but 12 square plus BC square. 13 square is 169, and let me take this side. 12 square is 144, that equal to BC square. So 169 minus 144 is 25, that is equal to BC square. Now BC is equal to square root of 25, that is equal to 5. So adjacent side became 5. So therefore we need to find out cos theta and tan theta. So cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So cos theta is 5 by 13. And tan theta. Tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. That equals to opposite is 12 and adjacent side is 5. So this is example number 4. Prove that 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus sin theta equals cosecant theta plus cot theta the whole square. So here I take the LHS part, that is 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now I'll rationalize this. So a rationalizing factor of 1 minus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta. That is 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. This rationalizing factor I will multiply, that is 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That is equal to 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta the whole square divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta, that is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So now this is 1 plus cos theta the whole square. So right now a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus, that is a square is 1 square is 1, b is cos theta, b square is cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 into cos theta divided by, here 1 minus cos square theta you can write sin square theta, because you know well sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta will go that side. So now I can substitute 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. Now I'll divide this sin square theta for the numerator terms, that is 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta plus 2 by sin theta into cos theta by sin theta, I'll write, because sin square, sin theta into sin theta. Here also sin square theta will come for this term. Now 1 by sin square theta is cosecant square theta. That is reciprocal of sin is cosecant square. Now cos square theta by sin square theta is cot square theta plus 2 into 1 by sin theta is a cosecant theta into cos by sin is a cot theta. So therefore cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta is nothing but a plus b whole square, that is cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square. So this equals to RHS. So this is example number 5. Show that cot theta into cos theta plus sin theta equals to cosecant theta. So this is KSEB March 2018 question paper sum. So here let me take here also LHS part, that is cot theta into cos theta plus sin theta. So cot theta you can write cos theta by sin theta into this cos theta write as it is plus sin theta. Now cos theta into cos theta is a cos square theta divided by this sin theta plus sin theta. So now cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta is a sin square theta. So here I am taking LCM. So therefore cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 divided by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta, that is reciprocal of sin theta, is a cosecant theta. So this is equal to RHS. Okay friends, that's all about today. Please try this example yourself and comment the answer in comment section. I will solve this example in my next class. Thank you.